Second rule of real estate, location. The third rule of real estate, location, right? And that's exactly why we picked this property. So you can see the property right now. There's the star on the property. The dots all around just kind of give you an idea of how many companies are in the area for job opportunities. In fact, one of them, Express Scripts, is actually this sweatshirt. That's where I worked. Um, just so much opportunity, so many jobs, so much growth. And really what this slide shows you is again, I'm going to go back to location, location, location. We're in the best area of St. Louis. There's a ton of work and opportunity to get jobs there. This is just obviously a small sampling of that. And that means that I can live in a really nice area of the town. I can afford my place, right? We talk about affordability in America right now. It's out of control. This is an affordable place to live, right? And it's in a great place. And then obviously you can see here all of the little pictures of different places that you can absolutely get a job. This is just, oh, excuse me, this is another close up. And it really breaks down what's in the area. So you have the elementary schools, you have the high school, plenty of places to eat. You see Five Guys here, CVS, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks. I always look for a Starbucks, right? Who doesn't want caffeine in the morning, right? You can shoot your way over to Starbucks. It's really close. You also can see that there's highways here. You can't see it on the map, but up in the I want to say up in the little bit to the north and over to your right is the airport, right? So you have close proximity to the airport in case you have to travel. The highways, place you have to get places, and then obviously all these different places from an education, healthcare, and retail standpoint. The other thing I'd want to bring up too, which is something that is super cool, is the other reason you want to live here is the school system. The high school and the elementary school have been rated one of the top schools in Missouri, not in St. Louis, in Missouri. So again, it's a place that you want to live because of the school system, because of the location where everybody is around, places to eat, things to do. And then finally, look, plenty of places to get jobs and finally affordable. It's not Miami.